West Indies Test cricketers are up and about, basically trying to avoid another series whitewash, this time against Australia. And watching the West Indies, especially the batsmen, struggle yet again. I remember vividly when Barbados journeyman Raymond Reefer batted at number 3 for the West Indies. That to me was the last straw in terms of emotional investment in West Indies cricket. I thought it could never get any worse. But this current West Indies team has a part-time off-spinner and a part-time batsman who should not be in the team, named Raston Chase as the captain. The vice-captain is a left-arm orthodox slow bowler and specialist night watchman named Jamel Warrican, who should not be in the team either as the vice-captain. So all of a sudden, Raymond Reefer is looking like a number 3 big bat. Yes. Give Raymond Reefer a recall. We want Reefer. We want Reefer. We want Reefer.